is the finite set. A set having limited number of elements is called a finite set. The members of a finite set can be counted. The condition for finite set is that the members in a set should be limited and countable. For example, in set A has 5 elements: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the members in set A are limited and countable. In this case, set A is a finite set. Set B is a set of even numbers less than 10. The even numbers less than 10 are only 2, 4, 6 and 8. So set B also has limited members and the members are countable, so B is also a finite set. Infinite set. A set having unlimited number of elements is called an infinite set. The members of an infinite set cannot be counted. So the condition for an infinite set is the members in a set should be unlimited and cannot be counted. For example, set A is a set of natural numbers showing unlimited number of elements. In this way, set A is also an infinite set since its members cannot be counted and are unlimited. In the second example, we have set B, set of prime numbers. The set of prime numbers has no limit. So set B is also infinite since its members cannot be counted. Empty set. A set which contains no element is called an empty set or a null set. An empty set is denoted by an empty bracket or phi. According to definition, an empty set contains no element. For example, set A is a set of months with 33 days. We know that there is no month in the year with 33 days. So set A is also an empty set or a null set. In the second example, set B is a set of whole numbers less than 0. We know that whole numbers start from 0 or are greater than 0. There is no whole number less than 0, so set B is also an empty set or a null set.